Assalamualaikum badin mo ni be mol jibe kan sente mbaten to lokal jay ka fale ko sente felentare parato buffalo to. Unfortunately scenario lo mi alon ko narrate le boden sin is believing as English manol ka fanyan nata on ground aketa fenet mi alon go very hard touching story lo ma believe ka for Gambia kono mo bi jam mi alon ko living in this kind of scenario, understand? So me men kala wala mbabula la afan ye abi explain mole, understand? Alfani ya mo afan bulo kono because man ngol ko chukolo kadia afan da ko mero number esa ko mo mole e to dima
nte alimatu
alimadu
gasam
okay sente na taje enen situation of the manering na de internet rabu sa ferinje wala fa kamen lo wala si scenario explain mole mole comme ni sama kono sente atal be steering min do because la jan bla mambe
nte ntata ntiyo do dia ko majan nduma dimbala botu sa o sulpolo boni mam fana fa ha nduma dimbala be belado kala wo patum boni mam be
ni dimbaya ni din jolle bi jan sente men yalan ko non la benem bon ko di wor
ah
okay say mon salon no kimale ko se kilin bi jan sente bum bi jam yalan ko jobe dunna sama keta wato watindi isa fo danaka be bun ko na be ko e babanta
ha nkema atata le maje ma atata la ko nyoko katale nkana atata maje ni nan sanni sabati maje
non sanji sabade
ha ni nga kol ka dumme baratata
jekita ko be Gambia ko na jan sante
ha mol ka jale ikana ya fanyo ko ngeki maje mo to babula be do ko bari amakana dimba ka maje
muna si sunno ete la miro fe muna be kala sunti ala dimbal bula jang ateta jang fa dimbal
ntela miro den to man jote man fion fenke a jeki la ka nyoko ana fala yela so manda si za ko nyoko katale nkai yo ako daro munala hanibi moto hanibi maji
mo men na bitala ko moto babul lawtumo
hani abe sinata mon
sa taru na moto soto
ha
sa fo no mo ko nin ding woro nin sanji sa boko ne ni la balu be nin nyaadi
nto kay nin ding woro kay balu ngata molle adu ko le kanju anu doro ni man pensi ha anin sinyo ni mbala fatani yemma koy ngana dimba samba wala kala mbon fananka lonci di dindon la wat do je fa ila 40 nyatale pato e be famaji dum do bi to wala 40 nyatale me famaji lonci mo kasoto do balé fa am problème wala
sen comme tilo konal ka balu for example jama bi je tilo konal ka balu do morok sinkri ko ke signa jolli
signa ke lim kon tan tabu to aban
kon ton na man ha sa mo ti je sama ko ti je
maso mon signa
say min bin non salo tumola eta min ka keno nyaaya da because mbi yalla ne mo me yalon kam ka sinkri sabo fa londi no tilo kono salo kono di nunna al halo ka keno nyaadi
ntelo ni salo na ta banna salo la dindin ke ba ko ka sile kumbo ibe ke famaji ni itare mo no ya je wole la ifama wo le on sa ya londi ikanale inu kumbo wato do bije ibe ko salba soto nga foto alimuna dunya betende ngam panjo wala kono salba lo aka ko yaade de mukaso katun nka do ko ngi ntam fa nta tonko ko won dani no ko won do man ko ma aban pensi
sanin din woro kono sante kono jumala bita kan karambo
din woro kono Muhammad bita kan ne Bubakar bita kan Fatima bita kan
sakam da sawala bita kan sabo manda pa
ha sabo joro problem yalla len ci fana mo ko problem wol
say lafta kam non fo wala mais sonna tam wala pour maybe nata kuma danta mi jemin yalon ko lafta ko fo yol fo understand mo le explain the scenario be gana explain mo le sante te ñinen kalante kuma dundela rete ya explain mo le briefly din sanji sabo kono atmosphere be ñaan
ndore ni sun ta bokono ko ya ko ben tambakel dañu problème la fa na problème ya manke waje sen ti jang ngata do ko la len jitan atabiro ngam so to ngol sama na dindi wala nga dum nan kata wato do bije kidi jara ken son ko dum ala yin harbi min nara kan ko dum ko ya ko ben kan ala yalo
sante mobile be bulla ba pour ni men sulatema abe ko soto la nyaa
mobile be mu adam ndum dinke wala ndala mobile ay problème
sen nim pareta e bon nomba dilana sen sin nomba sa feje sa joko nada mo mondi sulata ka mako rodi amari tente ko wala e modo ko abe defana ko la directly e mako ro futandi fama direct e bulo ko la sen makko lo nyam okay sen me nyinen kala question la bondi understand e men ko la wolam ni ta sulata mako ro la sente e mo mako si falle dani la mol bulo
nto laftale nimbe mako ro so mol bulo ko bimbala balu anin la tarabla ama tarabla man tarabla tiarin balu man tarab mbulo kon do anin dindu wala tarambu fuko tatin dol bi jodi e janta kaddu tarammonto abe kolyare mbulo kon baki hani ni bam be tarammonto lunch problème wala wato do bi katale bu lunch sos do bi e ka sasare ko sa mono ka liptano ko do tambulo bunun ka sasa jelle fay bata nga mo fi mboro ta nga apa jindi nga dile am
okay baraka bake mbadun anden mbelo moy nyola amu fenati nyalon ko misafo bafala interview surtout no baramu fefenati halmadiya be mo mon balo ko ne nyanta kan situation of film ya understand because dunia tambito level wala mi alon ko bafala futilo kono mol ka suman kilende domo wala konton ba kilunda manne be ya dingu woro la babul sainte ake ma bota ni dingu woro la tusu kono jam sainte la korketo be wuranta la dula ko mu problème ot bolwo mu problème ot dindu na dum fe mu problème ot ela karan ko mo to wala jara kende afan ko be am ko nyam ni sa rek amu nek aka mo fi mboro le ta faju ndaji because mbi yalla ne na loptano la système o be nyame sainte so to mi alon koy biji ala yake e bulo bente fefende jutu ne kana jutu fen bala si mo nen lullom tallullom kemelom woni kinino any amount benta fi mbalo no masa fela screen moto ya contact ya senai we don't want to involve directly but me men dani label dumandu me ya soto ma koy rok men yalon koy sula dara understand pero mbe tentu lambe jela bin strong and mbe dani la alama ala ya be sonia ne njikita ka fa fanan ala ba sonia la inshallah
waaw ni ngata bin katala
nyata bi
katala ngata bi yalla mo kassa bi wol ni ngata bi nga men tabitante daka bolin do ko nga ama o so mo konto
so atolla jang comme in terms of tanka ko jambe nyamin dem ko mosa dunno janne every time so alla tankaro o be janya
kala na fo ala dolo be ala wala kam ma ko patel be je suto mo kanale ay bulla konko tawili amari bore
la miro ko mo ko ali wana mo fa
ma mario patel be nay be bunda ko dana
wadu do nyani mo kalo sa mi do ma
bon kon no la bon kon
ko wala yi
ni so ku da ha ni so ku na yo ni to me la ha la ni boys ya le mo so
so ka dumani
saka dunnan din wato da bije hol is coming na kallale mu kalon kullun mu misal
wadu do jani sa fa dum sten
mu kalon wato da bije mu kalon ko min sadin kan kita no lato tato nyin ko danen tintita abina abawa filar la di ndone ita shar la ko
okay tu sais que jikiri na ka foko e ke ma bijan hanin sang abi batun kan ni findita suwo kono rek preta mo do liya rek
ay bala ayolo ako alata ko danyo wafle so ate yeman tam maj se mfanam do wora bambul ni finta ko da ko no mbek la nyaadi sen ko da soto mandia wala ko mbati ngam munya ngasi
Bredel
I got 11 lesson.
Which school?
For that. Okay.
But then the timetable of the wall over like when was this the timetable of the wall over?
So I made my last batch grade 9.
Like grade and back. So you tell us stories from India.
Mm-hmm.
What was your grade at grade 9? Let's say you average.
Of 38.
You believe you could have done better than that if the situation was good?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we are still at the venue. So one side of the fortunate part is that we have a teacher of the children present with us here. So, and then Mrs. or Miss, can you Miss her? Okay, thank you so much for that. Can you kindly introduce yourself for us?
I am Miss Kumba A. Kamara. Yeah.
I believe you are a teacher to the student.
Yes, I'm a teacher, a student of Fatima. Fatima Long.
How do you came to know about this scenario of Fatima, their family situation?
I knew about this situation through Fatima. There was a day I was sitting in my class. She was crying seriously. Then I asked her about her situation. She said, no, there's no problem. Later on, I asked her to leave the class and go out for break. She said she has no money to buy bread. So I forced her to say something. Then she said her mom is here alone with a bad situation. And just the way the mother just explained it to the media, the situation was not easy for them. So I asked her to explain a brief about the situation. So she said the mother is sitting here alone and the father left them since 3 years ago. She's here with her elder brothers and youngest one alone here. When it is time for rain, they always find a place to spend the night, much especially during the night time. So I asked one of my co-workers about her situation. Then she explained the same scenario. So last week, I personally came here. I asked her mom about the situation. So she explained the same thing to me, the way the girl explained it, narrated to me. So that was the time I went back home. I explained the same scenario to my younger brother, who is going to the college as agriculture student. So I explained it to him. So he wrote it in the WhatsApp Gambia page. That was the time he told me that someone linked him and he wanted to come and have a visit to the compound. Yeah, I knew all the situation just because of her situation. She always cry in the class.
That's right.
Even her academic performance is getting lower and lower, and she's very good. She's my best. She's my best friend. Whenever she go to school, when she don't find me there, she always go to my compound and ask me to go with her. She will not sit in the class without me. When I'm not in, she always comes to my side and ask me to go with her. When I'm inside the class, she's comfortable. She's a good girl. But the problem is mom's situation is the one disturbing her. The way they are living, it is not easy. According to mom, just told you, they always eat once per day, which is not easy for a single parent family with 6 kids. Though it is not easy, but God the Almighty is working. And I thank you all for being here. And I thank the media itself. And I'm begging you, whatever you have. Though, for me, my situation, I don't it because I'm a young widow who just lost my husband 2 years ago with 1 child. But I'm there with him alone, and I know what I'm facing. That was the reason I asked my brother to send the situation to the media so that they can help, because I alone cannot do it. And I know how hard the Gambia is going.
You being someone, let's say, employed or you earning, being a single parent with only 1 child, you know how hard it is. Talk less of someone with 6 children, not earning. Let's say for that, because not employed, just making daily rubbers for them to earn paddy. to have something once a meal a day.
Yeah.
You understand? I want to ask more about the side of the young student because you did hint us about his performance dropping. So I want to know, like, do you feel like the family situation is affecting her psychology?
Yes, exactly. That's what is disturbing her. It was not disturbing her before, let's say, first time and second time, because by then there was no rain. But since the rain starts, she always cry in the class, telling me that when the rains come, they have no place to sleep. They all sleep at one place. That's the problem. They have no place to sleep comfortably. That was the reason why I came here last week to confirm before I wrote it to the media.
Honestly speaking, you're a very good teacher, and I appreciate you for what you did. This is what we need to do, understand, in a society. It does not basically mean that you teach students only in the four corners of the classroom. Once they are with you, you need to observe their welfare, understand their behaviors, to know deep into it. Thank you so much, and then may God reward you in that, understand. And to all the viewers right now, what we could tell you, like, let me say it in Mandinka, or probably I will blend it with Wolof as well. Damian fala jiberale wolom nindi bi ala ya la nekan so ma sala do reka mo malo men kan naso understand bi woro le babu so mo malo be kilomet instead no membe sere njabe kumbo kam because of what she only eat once a day, she can't study, doesn't have a place to sleep, her performance is dropping. Imagine many empower, what will she be? Because she already have the courage to work hard, to fight for it. Who knows, tomorrow she could be one liberating this nation. Momalo. Talk less of the other people. So maybe for Momo out there watching this video, you have a mean to support. Please help. No amount is small. No quality. Because Abama ya fanyame. It's what I meant now. In short, Labula Kendo and a way of food, like the food sort of food supplies. Any amount makes a gay keno. La barkabal.